It became very clear to me, especially where we're at as an organization, that this was going to be the best way to maintain a tremendous opportunity for all of you guys. Groundworks is coming into this New England market. We are its first acquisition in New Hampshire.
Let me be the first to welcome you to Groundworks. I'm honored to be here in New Hampshire. I'm honored to be partnered with you. We're the fastest growing home services company in America. Today we have over 70 branches. We only do that through partnering with great people like Chris and Carrie.
You're all going to have a tremendous opportunity to perform, to learn, to do things that were not possible with us.
You think about the opportunity that's really here in front of you to make more money, to maybe move into management, open new offices. The opportunity is really there.
We are a Division I football team, and every single one of you just got drafted to the pros.